Hello and welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. Today let's make Korean style chicken wings. These wings are crispy, sticky and spicy. They are perfect as an appetizer. So let's see how to make this. Let's start. Bismillah. Add 1 kg chicken wings in a bowl. Goes in 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix it up nicely and marinate this for 30 minutes. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup all-purpose flour yani maida, 1/4 cup cornstarch. Mix nicely. And next I'm going to coat these marinated chicken wings in this flour. And now drop it in hot oil. Fry these chicken wings on medium-high heat for 6 to 8 minutes till it becomes golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, take out the chicken wings and transfer this to a plate. Let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. Again, I'm going to drop these chicken wings on hot oil and deep fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it turns crispy, remove it in a plate and set this aside. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon minced or grated garlic. Saute for a second. And next I'm adding 3 tablespoons tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons red chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix it up nicely and saute for a second. Add 2 tablespoons water, leftover water. Give this a nice mix. At this point I'm adding fried chicken wings. Mix it up nicely. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon sesame seeds on top with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix it up nicely and switch off the flame and serve immediately. Make sure you try this recipe: crispy, deep fried chicken in spicy, sweet and savory Korean sauce. Super quick and easy to make at home with simple ingredients. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel. Please leave your comment and suggestions in the comment section below. And we'll see you next time on another video of Shimi's Kitchen. Take care, goodbye and have a nice day.